Hello, it's Richard here and I'm excited to be presenting the T1 tap range to you today. So what is T1? T1 is a compact filtered water solution that we provide. It is discreet and minimalistic in design and has the ability to be installed over a sink or on its own with an integrated drip tray. Along with its striking aesthetics, it also has a digital antimicrobial touch control panel and is backed up by our totality methodology, which gives you complete confidence and peace of mind when you install this into your environment. Optionally, you can even specify UVC filtration for the optimum levels of filtration against waterborne bacteria. Paired with Borg Overström's unique and modular Procore system, the T1 offers chilled ambient and sparkling variants and has a 50 litre an hour chilled capacity. This is useful for larger footfall areas where you need the performance to cater to the numbers of people. Thanks to its 310mm dispense height, the T1 is compatible with a wide range of bottles. So the T1 is available in silver or black. Both of these taps are manufactured from high quality stainless steel, and the black version is PVD coated for the highest possible finish protection. And these two color options mean that the product seamlessly fits into any environment. So if you'd like to learn more about the T1 system and how that can be installed in your environment, please go onto our website or make contact with one of our sales team. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks for listening.